Hilton Colombo this evening to experience a significant event on the Christmas calendar of Colombo. Nothing says Christmas quite like the Delano brothers serenading us with their Christmas specials. We for one can't wait to see what they have in store for us this evening, and by the looks of it, neither can anyone else. My name is Deema. Stay tuned with High Events to find out more. So we have Rohan with us, who's been belting out beautiful Christmas songs for all of Hilton to hear. I don't think I have to ask you a question. Just tell me, how has it been to be in front of an audience to sing these beautiful songs for everyone?
It's been exciting simply because we've not performed for a live audience for the last 2.5 years. So we were really looking forward to this, and the fact that we're having 4 shows because there was so much of a demand, and we felt that we need to do this. In fact, we were looking at doing another concert too, but some people thought that we were nuts. I mean, to do 4 concerts itself is quite nutty, but we've always said that if the audience wants, we will perform. Likewise, when the audience doesn't want us, we stop. So for me, this was very, very challenging, I would say, because it's people are coming after a long time, and it's not the usual vibe that you get. So it's a new location, new setup, but all in all, I enjoyed it very much.
Give us a little hint about the amount of work that has gone into put 4 concerts back to back.
A lot. I mean, you wouldn't imagine how much of stuff has gone into this, but I mean, see, at the end of the day, it's basically Ishan and I who does everything, from being the peon to talking to people and getting things set up on the day and things like that. I mean, that's what we do, and I think that's basically why the brand is where it is today after 13.5 years. So yeah, I mean, it's a lot of work. Well,
thank you, Rohan, for marking the beginning of Christmas in the Colombo event calendar.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of people have told me that basically Christmas begins with the Delano show. And I think we've lived up to that expectation, and we will hopefully continue to do that as well. It's a good thing to know that people like to come for the Delano show and then they're in the Christmas mood. Dano himself has told me that. So it means a lot to us. And with the unprecedented amount of people that have just sold out the show within 2 or 3 hours of putting it out there, and just through social media, and a few, of course, through the media itself. But that says a lot. So I just hope that things remain in that manner, and hopefully we'll be bringing out some different types of concerts in 2022 if everything remains the same.
Well, let's hope so. Thank you, Rohan, for speaking with us, and all the very best for the next concert and all your events.
Pleasure, and wishing all of you people out there a very, very peaceful Christmas, and I hope things will settle down, okay? But be safe.
We have Ishan with us, well, who's the other half. Well, tell us, Ishan, how has the concert been? How has it been to perform in front of a live audience after so long?
Well, I think the feeling was great for us to be on stage after almost 2 years. I mean, we've done online shows and stuff like that, but it's nothing like when you have a live audience in front of you, and to do something like that, it was a wonderful experience.
So how much work has gone into bringing this whole event together from your end?
Well, I think a lot of work went into this show because, as you know, we had 4 shows on one day. A lot of people said actually that this is a task that we will not be able to achieve. But I think, as Rohan says, this is the new abnormal. So we need to adapt, and I think entertainment has to go on in small numbers. So we've had 4 shows because of that. But it is a lot of logistics, because from taking off vaccination cards of everybody to keeping them in their bubbles going into dinner. So you can imagine the lot of the logistics that go on for a show like this. But I think everyone has enjoyed, and I think artists feel great when the audience enjoys what we dish out to them. So yeah, it's good.
One more question. How do you keep your voice fresh till the very last concert?
Well, it's just like running a marathon, I would think. So anything is possible as long as you prepare for it ahead of time. So, the vocal exercises, all that come into play, and it's like getting ready for a marathon. So our preparations on vocal front started, I would say, a month before the show, and our exercises have to keep gradually getting more and more so that we remain fresh and not being any weak in our voice until the last show.
Thank you so much, Ishan, for talking to us, and we wish you all the very best for the next concert and everything ahead.
Thank you very much, and we like to take the opportunity to wish all High TV viewers a very blessed Christmas and a wonderful New Year. I know it has been a very tough year tough 2 years for everybody, and as I say, COVID came just like that, and COVID can go out also just like that. So I'm only hoping and praying for that, and hoping that everything will settle down soon.
With us, Akalia of the Delano Rolls here with us, who performed this evening as well. Beautiful, might I add. So tell us, Kalia, how was it to be on stage, to be out with the people, to sing?
Exhilarating, because I haven't sung in front of a crowd like that in a while with my family, and it felt just so nice and refreshing to do so.
Well, I don't know, what about the Delano Roll Brothers concert that just marks Christmas, I think? Do you feel like the festivities have started with the concert?
Yes, I feel like it's just everything comes together, the way that they sing their songs and how much feeling that they put into the words and into the song in a whole is just amazing.
So how much work have you put in behind the scenes to bring this event together?
Not much, just a little here and there, but they mostly do it all with the help from their partners, but we just help them a bit.
Johan with us this evening, who has also performed on stage. So Johan, you've sung beautifully. I think a lot of people enjoyed the songs, the concert itself. So tell us what your experience was.
Well, a bit different with given the current situation. So none of us were expecting this, but well, just like any other experience, it was a new experience, just like every other concert, and hopefully we'll have some sort of normalcy soon, so that we can get back to a proper live performance.
So when was the last time you were in front of a crowd like this?
I can't even remember, to be honest, quite a long time ago.
So what about the concert just marks the start of Christmas in Colombo?
Well, it's a first, given, like I said, given the current situation, and it's not the easiest to put 4 shows together. So, and we have managed to get through 3 so far, and fingers crossed we'll get through the 4th one and end on a high note.
Who's just come in for the final concert of the day. So tell us, Ro, how excited are you to see the Delano Roll Brothers perform after a long time?
Oh yeah, I've seen them before and they're really excellent. And when I get a chance to see them, of course I do come. And I'm lucky, I'm happy to be here for this concert. I hope it's looking forward for it to be as good as it always is.
So, what about the concert marks the start of the season?
It's good. I think it's necessary. We need to see and have everybody join in and enjoy themselves.
We have Saminda and Dileepa with us who are attending the Dilana Brothers concert for the first time. So tell us, what are you expecting from the concert? How excited are you?
Actually, I'm really excited about this concert, and this is the first time I'm attending, so it's a very fantastic setup here, and looking forward to hearing these two performing.
And what about you? How excited are you? Are you looking forward to any particular carol that you want to sing along to?
I really love carols and singing along as well. Nothing in particular right now. However, all of my friends and all relatives, they have told me it's such a lovely event and we should not miss it. Yeah, so I'm really happy to be here.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. Well, it certainly has been a magical evening here at the Hilton Colombo. It does feel like Christmas has truly begun with the Dilana Brothers serenading us. Thank you for tuning in, and until we see you next time, stay tuned and stay safe.